Today we are doing 3-6 model two-step equations. So we're going to be using algebra tiles, and algebra tiles are just a way to show how to solve algebraic equations with an actual visual representation. So here, whenever you have a solid black rectangle, that is going to represent x, the variable. A red square is 1, and a blue square is -1. So here we have our algebra tiles, and there's 3 of these. And those 3 rectangles, if you remember, are x. So we could write that this is 3x. And we have 2 blue tiles. So that, if you look at our key, is -1. So we're going to have -2. Whenever you have that line, that is your equal sign. And we have to count here, but we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red tiles. So this is going to equal +7. So that would be our algebraic equation using algebra tiles. For number 2, it wants you to go ahead and draw the model for 3x equaling 9. So we're going to have 3 of our long black algebra tiles. I'm going to draw a line, and that equals 9. It is a positive, so our positive tiles were red. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have drawn the model for our algebraic expression 3x equaling 9. Looking at number 3, it says to solve, so we're going to write our algebraic equation out, looking at our algebra tiles. On the left, we have 9 plus 1, so 10 negative blue tiles, which represent the -1s, equaling, we have 3 of our long rectangles, which represent x, and then we have our -1. So now we can go ahead and solve this, and we would go ahead and add 1 to both sides. We'd always add or subtract first. We would get -9 equals 3x. We can go ahead and divide by 3. -9 divided by 3 is -3 equaling x. So important thing to remember is you always want to add or subtract first before you multiply or divide. Here we have example number 2. It says use algebra tiles to model and solve each equation. Check your solution. So let's go ahead and draw our representation here. We have 3 black algebra tiles and 7 negative tiles. And we could draw our line for the equal sign. 5 positive tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can go ahead and solve this equation, and I'm going to solve it by hand. I'm going to add my 7 first. I have 3x equaling, those are gone, 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 3. My x equals 4. Here we have b. It says 2x minus 9 equaling -3. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those algebra tiles. So I have 2 rectangles. I have 9 blue -1s. I have 3 -1s. So we can go ahead and write our algebra equation out and solve. We would add 9 to both sides first. I would have 2x equals 6 divide by 2 to both sides, and x would equal 3.